Explore our exclusive ladies' co-ord sets collection. Welcome to our stitching factory, where craftsmanship meets style. Today we lay out exclusive ladies' suit designs, stitched with precision. Our first design features a classic round neckline, with delicate embroidery and lace embellishment up front, adding an elegant touch to the overall look. The full sleeves are adorned with embroidery and pleat detailing. Plain Damon style for a classic look, while the straight-cut trousers complete the suit, making it a timeless piece for any occasion. The second design takes on more of a modern-day twist, featuring embroidered boat-style neckline, fashionably designed pleat work on front with maxi, embroidered sleeves for a complete look, matched with plain trouser. For everyday comfort, we have this suit with a soft round neckline, with bead and buttons embellishment, comfortable straight cut sleeves. For a clean look, the round-shaped Damon is kept simple. Simple elastic waist trousers for ease of movement make it a perfect pick for daily wear. The signature cut presents a specially designed neckline, with pleat and lace work on front for added elegance. The lace and pleat work on sleeves add a trendy touch. The Damon itself is down to the finest detail, combined with a straight, high-waisted trouser. This piece speaks style from head to toe. Every suit you have seen today is stitched with full care at our factory, blending fine fabrics with impeccable craftsmanship. For casual or occasional wear, we have a suit for any occasion. DM us to ask about your favorite design, or place an order with us today. Let us help you look your best. Quality, style, and craftsmanship are at the heart of each design. Thanks for watching.